Okay, so we're going to do river bank bridge. So currently you're standing on the bank. So let's just do a practice run. So river over the line, bank, river, bank. And if I say bridge, 1 foot either side. All right, you all got it? Let's do another practice run. We'll go a bit quicker. You ready? All right, river, bank, bridge, river, bank, bridge. Now, if I say bridge again, you got to flick the other way. Bridge. Yep. River. Bank. Bridge. All right. You ready for eliminations? Ooh. Okay. You ready? Listening and reacting to the call. So everyone on the bank. All right. River. Bank. Bridge. Bridge. River. Oh, come in. You can be my judge with me. All right. You ready? Do you want to do the calls? Yeah, nice and loud.
Bridge. Bank.
Louder, louder.
Bridge, bridge. River. River. Bank. Bridge. River. Bank. Bridge. River. River. Bridge. Bridge. Bank.
Oh, they're pretty good. All right, I'm going to speed it up. You ready? Okay, and bank. Oh! River. River. Bank. Bridge. 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 Bank. River. Oh! All right. River. River. Oh, do last 4. Okay, bank. Bank. River. Bank. Bridge. 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 Bank. River. River. Ah! Oh, podium finish. Bronze medal match. Okay. River. Bank. Bridge. Bridge. Bank. River. Oh, silver medal. Here goes the top 2. Oh, sorry, bronze. Did I say silver? Yeah. Okay, last 2. River. Bank. Bridge. 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 Bank. River. River. Ah! Shake hands.